like it. This is nice. There's a lot of room in the closet.
Area.
I like it. Alright y'all, I like this property. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's big, it's clean. Okay, hello somebody. And they got a lot of visitor parking spaces here. I like it. Now we're going up to the apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I wasn't able to, it's 2 baths, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 2-bedroom, 2 baths. I wasn't able to tour a 1-bedroom because it's not available to tour right now. And how much is this one going for? I think it ranges from 1,700 to 2,000. Yeah. So if you like it, this is for you. So here we are. I love the island already. Y'all know that. And you know, to be honest, this dark color cabinet is not terrible either. I want a double fridge now. Let's come around here. The island is pretty big too. The dishwasher. Let's look in the cabinets. All the cabinets are brown in this complex?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything is the same finish.
Okay. Y'all know I love a flat top. Let's see. Washer and dryer included or no?
Yes, everything.
Okay. Washer and dryer. Washer and dryer included in every unit. So that's a plus. Okay, this is a big. This is big. I would like that for coats, shoes when you come into my place. Put them all in there. Let me, from this angle, this is what it looks like. It's very big. I like it. Let's go over here. Okay, that doesn't matter. I love these. I really like these. I would like that in my next apartment. Obviously that door, it's leading to the bathroom. I like that as well. The finish is consistent. I like squared sinks now. I like this tub. It's big and square. Let's go into the closet. Big. There's a lot of room in the closet. I really like this, I'm not gonna lie. So you guys know what I like is that the door to the living room is separated from the bedroom to the bathroom. So I like that. Is one of the bedrooms larger than the other? The ceiling is high. Let's go on to the next one. Okay. Ceiling, high. His and hers, okay, period. The same brown. The closet in this one is, you have space from up there. So here we go. The same tub. Now let's go outside. And that's pretty big. Wrap around porch. Wow, it's big. And this is your view. This is nice. This place is beautiful. It's nice. Last look. Here we go. The lights underneath, they come with every unit. I like that.